Hello, my friends. Well, chances are you've already seen our newest club set, Message in a Bottle. But let me just tell you, I can't stop. When I start designing, I just go nuts and I go crazy and I have so much fun. So I took this to the next level quite a bit, and let me share those items with you. They are, for the first 24 hours, can I tell you a little secret? They are on flash sale. For the first 24 hours or until sold out that they are on our website, they're on flash sale. So club members, not only are you getting the club discount, you're also getting the flash sale price. Now, if you're not a club member and you're just getting to know us and you just want to go slow, I understand. You get to buy these items on our website at flash sale price. You just don't get the extra club discount, but that's allowed also, okay? So let's check it out. So I couldn't decide which bottle I liked better, so I did two. So this is the club set, but this is the add-on set. This bottle is a little bit more rounded. This one includes a fun little lighthouse, and we have some more words. You've got mail, bottled edition. Ahoy there. A little note from my side of the sea. High tides and good vibes, some little candies to add to your bottle. And let me just tell you, my design team went crazy. I have 2 stacks of cards to show you over here. So rest assured, I have lots of card samples to share with you. Now, of course, yes, there are dies that match, right? Of course, right? Of course. Then I wanted more things to add into my bottles, and I made some little fun coins to add there, some gold coins, some hearts, separate heart. A lot of fun words. My heart always floats your way, thinking of you across the tides. Ship happens, but I've got you. You're my favorite treasure, and a little note adrift with hugs. Isn't that cute? Now, I took this a step further because you know that fun little note that is in the club set that's all rolled up, ready for you to explore it. Well, I took that a little bit further and I made it a scroll folded. So now this scroll folded is really fun. Look at this. You can do it horizontal or vertical. And look at that. It comes with the words, a little note of cheer. But look at how cute that is. You can add a fun little note to the inside. So you can do it vertical or horizontal. And it comes with all of those extra layering dies, which make it so much fun. Here's another example of it. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? A little note of cheer. You got your little message on there. So fun. Now, last but not least, and this part is limited edition. Once it's gone forever. It is our stencils. Now, the stencils just take all of the stamped images up a notch, okay? Because sometimes we don't have time to get our pens out and we don't have the time to be able to explore with our pens and have fun with our pens. I love to color sometimes, but sometimes I need it to be faster. That's where the stencil comes in. The stencil is going to allow you to color all of those awesome images a lot faster and easier. So if you're not one that likes to color, your stencils are going to be where you're going to run. And they are so much fun because I've also made sure that all the etch lines are on the stencils as well. So you'll know how to line them up so much easier onto the stamped images. Yay! Now let's jump in and look at all the samples because there are tons. And I just need you to know, remember, the first 24 hours, not the club items, but the extra add-on items are on flash sale the first 24 hours or until sold out. So here's a cute one with those fun hearts. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Always float. So here we go. My heart always floats your way. You can make your own background with all of those fun words. I love that. So cute. Ooh, here's one with all those hearts. My heart always floats your way. Okay, are you ready for this? Grab those sea pelicans. Look at that. This is also the seahorse mini slimline seashells. Is that stunning or what? That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Or you can go a different direction and do pinks, right? Look at that. I love that. Or we can go another direction. There's so many ways to go. Which direction are you going to go into first, right? Look at this. You've got mail. Isn't that fun? A little note floats my, a little note from my side of the sea. I'm not good at reading upside down. Okay, here's another one on a 5x7 flip it. What? Look at that. HHBD, happy birthday with a hidden panel. I love it. So much fun. Ooh, here's a pretty one with the heart's edge all the way around. Isn't that gorgeous? You make my heart smile. I love that. Ooh, here's a fun scroll one. So those scrolls you're going to have a lot of fun with because look at this. You can make it more nautical or more old-fashioned, pirate style kind of thing, or you can make it pretty and pink. So look at this one. This is using the Be Still and Know, Psalms 46:10. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that fun? I love that. Ooh, or type a verse on there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Ahoy there. I love that. Ship happens, but I've got you. Isn't that cute? That is beautiful. Here's another one. This one, sideways. So you can do them sideways or long ways. The choice is yours. Here's another sideways. So fun. I love that. Ooh, now here's another flip it. Oval flip it. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hidden panel. Hidden panel. I love it. Here's a shaker. You know I love my shakers, right? Especially when they're the easy card fronts that make it so easy. Love that. So easy. So fun and simple. Here we go. Here's another cute one with all of our beautiful lighthouse on there. So cute. Oh, another flip it. I'm loving these flip its, you guys. Here we go. Ready? Oh, let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open it up. Woo, and a hidden gift card in that one. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh, here's some coins. Treasure. Don't you? Treasure. How fun. I like a little treasure hunt. I love that. And here's another one. Oh, so gorgeous. I love this. So again, you'll see that these are not just one masculine or feminine. These are everything, which is so nice, right? I love it. Now, my friends, don't forget 24 hours or until sold out on flash sale. Plus you get your club discount. If you're not in one of the clubs, I recommend you just go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. That's going to explain all of our different clubs. It's going to kind of give you the background and the information and all the freebies and all the goodies and all the good stuff like that. Then you'll get to decide which club to join. Once you join a club, instantly, not 24 hours later, not 10 hours later, no. Instantly, you get your club discount. So join a club, then go buy whatever you want at the club discount instantly. It's so fantastic. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.